Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share a draft on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok and let me record a draft video. So here you need to click on this cross and click on save draft. Then you need to click on profile in the right bottom, click on your draft video, click on that video again, click on next. So here you can see more options, click on that options. So here you simply need to allow high quality uploads. Okay, and after that you simply need to click on everyone can view this post, and here you need to select only you, and then you simply need to post that video. Once you post it, you are able to share that video with any of your friend and also you have another option. Let me show you. So let's suppose this is a video. You simply need to click on this icon and you can save video in your device as well and share with your friends. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.